Hello everyone. I'm Nitin sir, your maths teacher. Now I'm going to show you something about reflection. I hope this will help you to understand about reflection in your syllabus. First of all, reflection. Reflection is all about forming an image through the mirror. Here we will discuss x-axis and y-axis as your mirror, and in x-axis and y-axis we will represent some image points. First of all, look at here, this line, this line, this line, this horizontal line is your x-axis, right hand side positive axis. Then this horizontal line, this is your, when two lines intersect each other, that perpendicular line and horizontal line, this is your origin, this is your origin, 0 0. From 0 0, when we will reach here, this is +1, +2, +3, like this. We will mark this value 1 2 3 4 and so on. And then from here to the perpendicular line, standing line, this will be your +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. Similarly, when we will go through in left hand side from the origin, like negative integer, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, according to your need, -7. And then going down from the origin, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, like this. This is according to the coordinate geometry. We divided this paper into 4 parts. First coordinate have always plus and plus. Then second coordinate, minus and plus. Why minus? Because this line is minus and this line is plus. So this line is x-axis, x-axis is minus, this line is plus, so y-axis is positive. Now going down to third, so this line is already minus and now going down, this is minus, so sign is here minus and minus. Now moving toward the fourth coordinate, so this line already positive, so positive is x-axis. Now going down, so this is negative. So we have 4 coordinate. I have marked here for your understanding, so you will understand what is the sign of a point in each and every coordinate. This is your first coordinate, this is your first coordinate, this is your second coordinate, this is your third coordinate, this is your fourth coordinate. Okay, now this is your origin, this is your origin. This is the fundamental information about the 2D shape, 2D geometry, coordinate geometry. Now how to use the reflection here? From x-axis, if any point reflected through x-axis, y will change, the sign will opposite, x remain unchanged. For example, suppose if I take a point A as 3 and 4, 3 and 4, point A equal to 3 and 4, where this A will lie? 1 2 3, 3 is x value. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here your point A. Okay. Now suppose A is reflecting through x-axis. We are going to find the image of A in x-axis. Where? In x-axis. So A will reflect in x-axis. So this horizontal line will work as a mirror. So x-axis, that's plus first 3 is remain unchanged, because this distance is not going to change. Your distance of 4, because distance from x-axis of y is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here for y. Now 4, the image of 4 will go down because mirror is x-axis. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. This point become -4 for y-axis, but axis remain unchanged. So this is your 3, 4. So this is your A dash. So see, check this. Suppose this is your object, and now you are going to find the image. Image will be comes here in x-axis. This way, this was is given in physics also, how to obtain the image. If you are standing in front of a mirror, the same distance will goes down on the back side of the mirror. So here A dash is equal to 3 minus 4. Check here, this distance is 4, this distance is also 4. So A dash. So now the image of A in x-axis is A dash. Now change the mirror place. Now A will go to in y-axis, where we will find the image of A in y-axis. Now you check, this is your x-axis distance. How much distance is 3? From 0, x is 3, but this 4 will remain constant. In y-axis, the coordinate of x opposite in sign, y value remain unchanged. So here we will find the distance 1, 2, 3. 3 is x value. So now this is 3. So this is -3 and 4. Suppose this is A double dash. This is A double dash. For A in y-axis, the reflected point will be A double dash. Now you check. Same distance. This is 3 unit. This is 3 unit. Y value remain unchanged because this is going to be as constant +4. So now this is your A double dash. So we can say for A, 2 reflection in x-axis, x value remain unchanged and y is going to be opposite of a sign. If +4, it become -4. Okay. Now the third is, if A is reflecting through the origin. Now if we are going to reflect the point A in origin, it will reflect both the point. Why? Because this distance 3 unit also as well as your 4 unit also. Check 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. This is -3 and 1, 2, 3 -4. This is -3 -4. This will be your image A triple dash. So for A, 3 types of image formed through x-axis, through y-axis and through origin. This is about how we reflect point in different coordinate, x-axis, y-axis or through the origin. I hope you will like the video. Then I will continue making video and make sure it will help you. Thank you. God bless you everyone.